Hi, I'm Jimmy Paul, Chief Technology Officer here at Crafty. When we started Crafty, one of the biggest market problems that we saw was waste. It was the kind that builds up silently because there wasn't a reliable system to catch it early. That's what drove us to build smarter inventory automation. We were inspired by the Goldilocks standard. Not too much, not too little, but just right, every time. What sparked the idea for automating inventory was seeing office managers dealing with sites that were all different shapes and sizes, surplus of certain snacks that weren't moving, or constantly running out of the snacks that were moving, and no real consistency on how to reorder. When order placement isn't regimented, things can start to be really difficult. You find yourself chasing corrections rather than managing the overall program. And we knew that there had to be a way to help automate this and make this simple for the folks who are managing these systems. By adding thresholds, max and mins, we were able to make this simple so that every single day things are getting replenished as they're being consumed, therefore keeping shelves fully stocked. It's not just wasted product, but it's also wasted budget and wasted time. As an executive, we always pride ourselves in trying to do the most sustainable thing we can. When you see wasted product, that's how can you pitch that value when you're not doing everything you can to optimize the experience? Some of the non-negotiables when building these tools were it had to be both product and location specific. Every single location has different amounts of storage space for different types of products. Every single product has a different velocity based on the employees that are in that office and what they enjoy consuming and what empowers them to have a great day and be motivated. So we solved this problem through using thresholds, meaning minimums and maximums. So for certain products, you never want to get under a minimum amount. It's the most popular product. You want to make sure you're always fully stocked. While for other products, there may be a maximum amount. Maybe you only have so much fridge space. Or maybe there's products like bananas where they go bad quickly and you can't overstock those and run an effective program. Since launching this automation, we've seen that programming is more predictable. Less time is spent tracking down waste, tracking down order issues. Really where the time is now focused is in up-leveling and evolving the programming for the employees at the space. Some of our internal learning since launch is how to even better manage the evolution of programming. These thresholds change over time, and so we're building the tools to help make sure that our system is evolving with the needs of the space. We've also learned a ton about how this interplays with budgeting. How do we make sure that these thresholds also represent a sustainable way of managing budget? We've continued to evolve this feature into something that really pushes the limits of what we can do with automation in this industry. So within each order, as it's being built and as it's created, both our team, our partners, and yourself as the client can see that every order is on target, and therefore keeping complete visibility into what will be coming to your office, but also that budget and staying on track to make sure that you are that hero who's keeping the office together while staying on budget. It's up-leveling the expectations that folks have in their managed service. Our goal is to always lead the industry on the newest innovations and newest technology. And AI and LLMs have really changed every industry, ours included. So now is our opportunity to make sure that this programming, the inventory levels, the products in your product set are automatically and proactively being suggested to improve the experience for yourself, your team, and the employees that you work with every day. We're really excited about what we've been learning we can do to evolve our entire industry through the use of these new tools. So think about being able to troubleshoot equipment on the fly, or getting nutrition facts about any product, tapping into the data that you've got stored in our platform and getting suggestions from your Copilot. My favorite part of the Copilot has been it's fun. It truly brings joy into the experience of evolving the Pantry programming. So you can ask it for just fun snack facts if you're doing trivia. You can also just ask it for assistance in terms of what are the latest bars? What are the best snacks? How do I make this more sustainable? It's friendly, it's fun, and truly like a new friend that I've got in the office. If your team's still guessing on orders or scrambling to fix stuff that slipped through the cracks, you're not alone. That's exactly why we built the system to make things just right. Lesson we learned from Goldilocks, that's a reality. The Pantry Optimization Playbook breaks it all down. It's not theory, it's real stuff that works in workplaces.